It's very interesting how this individual completely ignored the main points of what I said and continue on the same road of basically what I would consider to be delusion. Of course, they start off with a criticism that I'm repeating myself. Well, guess what? That's what happens when people don't listen, like you are not listening. You're not hearing me, so I'm just going to keep repeating myself as long as you want to expend the energy to keep repeating yourself. So I would highly recommend setting an example before lobbing criticism at others. And then they say, help us all constructively. Well, what more do you want? Do you have a YouTube channel with 900 free correct sentence structure, communication, parsing, syntax, grammar videos that took you thousands of hours to create? Probably not, but I do. And I consider that helping humanity constructively. I'm not going to spoon feed anybody, right? I'm not going to be anybody's crutch, but I put the knowledge out there. And if you want to take the time to learn it, if you choose not to be lazy, and if you choose to be humble, it's there for you to learn if you want to. So I consider that helping constructively. It's your choice as to whether you want to help yourself. And that's the bottom line here. Because then they go on to say, report this dangerous man to the authorities. What freaking authorities do you want to report this man to? Like, tell me. The same authorities that told everybody they had to wear masks? The same authorities that told everybody they had to get a jab? Those same authorities? Right? I mean, what authorities? What are you talking about? This has nothing to do with correct sentence structure, communication, parsing, syntax, grammar, because this grammar technology enables us to be autonomous. There is no authority other than you for yourself or me for myself. There will be no reporting, no snitching, no nothing like that. Everyone carries their own water. You take care of your own business. If you want to consent, it is your choice to consent to an authority. If you want to consent to your government being your authority or your local police force being your authority, that's your choice. I choose not to do that. I choose to navigate differently. I choose to navigate autonomously. And Mark-kishon Christopher is definitely not dangerous. If you think Mark-kishon Christopher is dangerous, then I guess you probably don't leave your house, ever. Now, save humanity. Did humanity ask to be saved? And what are we saving humanity from? When it comes down to it, there's really nothing to be saved from. You sound like those Christians that feel like they need to be saved by Jesus Christ. Saved from what? My suggestion is if everyone would just take accountability for themselves, if they would just take authority over their own constructs and navigate autonomously, take full accountability for everything that they do, rather than, like this person, depending upon an authority or looking for someone to save them, I think the world would be a better place. But there are a lot of people out there like this individual with an authoritarian follower mindset, which is what it appears to me from their comments. They're appealing to authority. They want someone to save them or save humanity, whatever it is. I mean, that's just the mindset that keeps the cycle going, folks. It keeps that cycle going of war and quote-unquote slavery, indentured servitude, all that stuff. It's people like this because they keep participating in the same system. What I recommend is learning correct sentence structure, communication, parsing, syntax, grammar, and becoming one's own authority. Period. End of story. Then you don't have to worry about people like Mark-kishon Christopher, which, I mean, I don't worry about someone like that. Matter of fact, I haven't even seen anything from Mark in months. So who knows where he is? Maybe he took all the money he made and he's vacationing in the Caribbean somewhere. I don't know. Or maybe he's vacationing in some other facility. Thanks for the comment and for the entertainment.